Yes,
Okay, good afternoon.
good afternoon, ma'am. It's a very good afternoon that I am very fortunate that I connect with you, and so thank you so much
Yes,
for
you,
this
you must
opportunity.
say that you are fortunate because I just canceled 2, 3 sessions today. I thought I will not take any session. Then I don't know from where. As soon as I received your mail, I thought let me decide some time and we can just have a conversation for 10, 15 minutes. It's all right. So
Yes,
yes, okay. So how has your
great.
day been so far?
It's quite good, and I'm very excited to have conversation with you. And I have seen your video, and I really eager to talk to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. I would love to know about you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pooja Upadhyay. I'm basically from Uttar Pradesh. I stay in Mumbai, and as far as my qualification concerned, I'm a graduate in commerce, and I have done ECCED teacher training course, and my hobbies are reading book and drawing craft, and this day I'm learning this language, and I love to connect with the new people and talking. Yes,
Lovely.
so this is
Lovely
my
to know. Lovely
sure.
to know about you. And you must be knowing about me. So I think I can leave it. Or
No, please introduce them so that I can learn from you how to introduce. Yes.
You must have watched my videos. I don't introduce myself in a very different way. Yes, of course, my name is Manju Mishra, and I have completed my master's and my bachelor of education. And after that, I started teaching, and I taught for nearly 32 years formally in a school. And now I'm a retired person, so I have started teaching online and offline. So yes, of course, I'm busy these days taking offline classes, where especially English is my core of interest. So I teach English. And if you
Okay.
talk about my family, I'm a family of four: my husband, me, my 2 kids, and my children are all grown up. So I
Okay.
have ample of time to serve the society. So, whatever way I can do, I'm just serving the society by imparting my knowledge, my experience with different people. That's all about me.
Okay, it's great to talk with you. It's wonderful because you have a experience of teaching. So I'm very interested to do this job, and that's why I'm learning this language. So I must say that I'm going to learn something very special with you.
Certainly, I'll try to add something if you want to know. So,
Uh,
let's proceed in the conversation. Have you
yes,
decided any topic to discuss today?
yes, ma'am. I have decided to topic as development of personality. So development of
Development of
personality.
personality.
Okay, personality. Okay,
Development of personality. Okay. All
okay,
right.
so
So
okay.
I would certainly love to know from you, because you have decided this topic. You must have prepared something about it, or you must have some idea about this topic. So I would love to know that what are your points or point of views. So please share with me.
Okay, ma'am. So I have learned that development of personality is very important for everyone who is thinking that to do anything in their life. So it is going to be help us to be confident, and it is take us forward in life. So, development of personality is like a external development from the internal development or external development. Internal development, we to develop like reading book. By reading book, we can do our this way of learning. That's like a reading book and from online, and to explore ourselves so we can develop our internally develop our externally means to be good physique and good like a shape in our body. I consider that that is external development. So and ma'am, I feel that this when we are learning this language, so I consider that this language is also part of development our personality. So what do you think about it?
Yes, of course. See, as far as personality is concerned, yes, so we are all different in different aspects.
Yes,
Whatever you want to do,
yes,
whatever I want to do, we need to work in that field because that is your core of interest, that is my core of interest. So I would certainly love to do something in that area. So, as being teacher, I would always love to enhance my skill so that I can impart my children or my learners whatever way I can do my best. Yes. So,
yes,
personality development is not only, I feel that the outer personality or outer look. I don't think
yes,
so. So, if you are, uh, you are good from your heart, if you are confident enough in your field, in your area, personality will certainly develop. Yes,
yes,
if you are teaching certain things like you are connecting to different people, talking in English, you want to enhance your language, and you have full command over this language. So nobody can stop you, even though you are not good looking, but you have a full confidence on your language. Then your personality will shine like anything. Yes,
oh,
so inner development is very, very important. Of course, external development, as you talk about, this is all God's gift. We
yes,
can just we can just enhance a little bit by working upon it. We can just maintain our health. If we remain physically fit, naturally
yes,
we'll look beautiful. So always beauty attracts different
yes,
people. So that is
yes.
also important. But yes, I would certainly prefer to enhance our inner beauty first.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
really wonderful. Yeah.
That's what I feel like. Yes. And personality can be developed at any age. There is no age we cannot think, we should not think even that now I'm old, now I have no responsibility, I have done my all responsibility, so I should just neglect everything. No, we
Yes.
should always work upon it. We should always think that God has given us this span of time. So I must do in whatever way I can do for myself first. Because if I am fit and fine, then probably I can do anything for anybody else.
Yes, yes, of course, ma'am. And I consider that old is gold because when we are learning, so if just like you, ma'am, you are serving, you just teaching everyone, and then you have a lots of experience, and such a people like me can learn from you. It's an opportunity for us. So it is really wonderful that you are. Online you are doing class online, so it is a it's a really wonderful for everyone who is just starting their career. So it is a great way because in around us as a housewife, I don't have any facility to go and just have conversation with and ask them how to improve myself. So it is a very important to and my thinking is to personality development is like how you articulate your thought, how you express your thought, and a very effective way. So it is a very important to express your feeling in front of anyone or in group. So it's a little bit difficult for me. Please suggest me how to I do that.
Yes, actually, this is all about the language proficiency, I can say. If you are fluent enough in English, you have proper vocabulary with you, probably you will not find it difficult to express anything which you can express in Hindi, you can express in English as well. But the thing is that we Hindi speakers at times we find that I can express myself well in Hindi, but maybe when it comes to English, it becomes difficult. So we just need to work upon this language because it's just an ocean and we probably know a drop of it. So we have to include more and more drops in our knowledge. so that
Yes,
we become knowledgeable, and then we'll certainly be able to express ourselves. And yes, of
yes,
course, there are people, those, some of them are introvert, some of them are extrovert. So introvert people, what happens, even though they have some idea, they want to share, they want to express, but that doesn't come to the mind then and there. They feel later on, oh my god, I could have told this, I could have added this point, I could
yes,
not do that. Yes, but
yes,
extrovert people, even though they are not confident, they may go wrong, but they will add something or the other to their point. So that's the
yes,
difference in for different personalities. So that is another thing, we are all different in on different levels. Yes, so this can be difficult for you, this can be difficult for me, and for some it can be very easy depending on their nature.
yes, yes, ma'am. Absolutely, I agree with you. When people are feel hesitate, even though they know very well English, how to speak, but when the circumstances come, when the event come, they feel that okay, just leave it. I am not able to convey all these things. So that time, I also feel like that. So I feel that okay, I'm okay with my English, let's start, but somewhere I feel that okay, it's not a correct time, let it.
No,
And
you have started, and that's how we, one step always we go ahead by working upon it, doing hard work with anything you want to learn. It needs time. You can't do anything in a day. Rome was not built in a day. This you
yes,
have heard. So nothing
yes,
is can be done in a short span. We need to work upon it. We need to cherish it. We need to enhance our language or everything. Yes, and that's how it goes. Life always teaches us something or the other.
yes, yes, ma'am. And create a personality is in our hand. Create our personalities in our hand, and you can achieve by creating your personality, you can achieve any goal and anything in your life.
Very true. You can imitate different personalities whom you feel that that person is doing quite well. And you can listen to that person, you can see the behavior, the body language, and then probably you can be better than that person at times.